So how many exercises we completed yesterday?
1.4 hours.
1.4. Then we'll go for 1.5. Okay. So after completion of this 1.5 and 1.6, then I'll go for once again, I'll revise the concept and I'll write all the properties. Okay, or before that, I'm asking you properties or operations. Fine.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is a proper subset, sir?
Very good. Proper subset. Look at here. I'm taking A is equal to, very good question, because A is equal to like a 1, 2, 3 I'm taking. B is equal to, I'm taking 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, clearly A is a subset. Okay, subset of B. Subset of B. This is here, A is a proper subset. Proper subset. So, but if I take here, another set is C is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what about C? C we can write as subsets are equal to B. Am I right? Only will write subset are equal to C and B. Yeah, both will be same or not? B and C both will be same or not?
Yes.
Yeah, we can write subset are equal to. Here C is not a proper subset. A is a proper subset, but C is not proper subset. So proper.
If all the elements are there, then it is not a proper subset.
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. I will write here. For example, 1, 2 will be there. A. So what are the subset of this A? One is
1
5.
and 2, sir. Then null, sir.
1 is a proper subset. 2 is a proper subset.
Null,
But
sir.
you should not take null, and you should not take 1, 2. Okay, these are the subset. 5 and 1, 2 are subset. The proper subset are only 1 and 2, because 1, 2 is clearly equal to A. Other than the pi and the set itself is called proper subset.
Okay, sir.
Right? Operations. First, very easy operation. What is A union A? A. Am I right? A intersection A. A. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Second one. A union empty.
A.
A intersection empty.
Null.
Null. A union universal set.
Universal.
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 A.
A universal.
Yeah.
Right. Third one. I'm going to write the third one. For example, what should I write here? Many properties are there. Like I'm going to write few De Morgan properties. Before that, A union B intersection C. This can be written as A union B intersection A union C. You can write like this. In the same way, see union, your intersection becomes 1. So A union B, A union C, in between intersection. Can anyone tell what is the formula for A intersection B union C?
A intersection B union A intersection C.
Exactly.
A intersection C.
Right. Next, fourth formula. Yeah, till now we observe that A complement whole complement it is equal to what?
A.
A. And A union B whole complement I'm taking.
A
A
complement
comma B.
intersection B complement.
Exactly. A complement union becomes intersection. This you have to remember. So then A intersection B whole complement
A
it is equal
complement B complement.
union B complement. See here, if I take intersection left side, it will becomes union right side. Union becomes intersection. These formulas and all you must be remember. And what is, can anyone tell that what is A minus B union C? In that case, it can be A minus
Indonesia.
B, A minus B intersection A minus C. Union becomes intersection. Okay. A minus B intersection C. A minus B intersection becomes B. Clear? These are also D more
So can you
than
give examples for last four formulas?
last these four formulas. Yeah, we'll do all the example here. See here. Many examples are there. When you take this is universal set, this is A, this is B. Okay, then A union B whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B. We can verify that actually these are the formulas. These are the examples. Let us go one by one. Yeah.
Sir, can you show the formula sheet once again, sir?
Yeah, this slide actually I didn't send it to you yesterday, but I posted the recorded videos. Once you can go through that. Am I right? Did you observe that? Yesterday I posted that video,
Yes,
that
sir.
NCRT folder, right? Fine, students. Right now, today this slide I'll be posting in your class. These are all simple properties. These properties we are going to prove here in this chapter, right? So all are very easy questions. Here, how many questions? Just we having only 7 questions. Right. Properties. Next, fifth one. What is A union A complement?
Universal set.
Universal. A intersection A complement?
Null.
Null set. Very good. What is pi complement? Universal. Universal complement? Pi. These values and all we know. And here actually A complement nothing but universal set minus A. Pi complement nothing but universal set minus pi. Universal set complement means universal minus universal, that is empty. Is already seen, right? So based on these properties, we will do the problems, right? So Venn diagrams also, if you see the Venn diagrams, yesterday already we see. Once again, yesterday we have taken 3 non-empty sets. Now I'm going to take only 2, that is A and B. Just you only tell me here. Yeah. Why? What about this value? This region.
A intersection.
A intersection. Right. This is A intersection.
B.
Yeah. What about this region?
Sir,
Only
A minus B, sir.
A minus B.
B.
This is just A minus B. Then what about other region?
Sir, we can write it as B complement also, no, sir?
B complement. No. I will tell you why. What about this? B minus A. Am I right? B minus A. Can you able to write A minus B as B complement? What is the mean by B complement? Can anyone?
Sir, to
This,
include that outside elements also.
yes, exactly. Even we can include the outside element, the elements which is related to universal set also we can include. Is it clear? That is mean by complement. A complement nothing but whole other than A, all the elements which is belongs to other than A. That elements is belongs to even universal also. I think so because I am going to ask different questions here. Right, I have given this is universal, this is A, this is B. Right, first question. A union B region is what? A union B region.
Sir, universal minus A minus B.
A union B means including this total A, this part, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Whole region. This is clearly what? A union B. Nothing but how to write here? A minus P union A intersection B union B minus A. Just you have to remember, we can write in many ways. This is one of the way to write it. And next, A intersection P, we know that that is middle. What is A intersection B? Complement. The region of A intersection B complement.
Sir,
Yes.
U minus A union B.
So what is the region we are going to get here? A intersection B complement region. I want to know that. I want to know that the region of A intersection B complement. Nothing but what?
So A minus B union B minus.
Okay, finally, is it equal to a yellow region or else, okay, any other region? Green. Four colors
Sir,
are there.
answer A, sir.
Answer?
A, sir.
All A, is it equal to A?
A minus B, sir.
A minus B, very good. A intersection B complement is given by A minus B part, A minus B region. Even you can check that. A, this A nothing but whole. B complement, intersection B complement. B complement means other than B. Other than B means whole. So what is the intersection is there? First you should take A and next you should take B complement. Then after intersection, the common region for A and B complement is going to get by A minus B. Am I right? In the same way, A complement intersection B is equal to what?
B minus
B
B
minus
minus, am I right? B minus. Okay, anyone? What is A minus A intersection B region? A minus A intersection B. Is it equal to A or A minus B?
A minus B, sir.
A minus B.
Exactly. So like this also we can write like A minus B also can be written as A minus A intersection. And B minus A intersection B nothing but this is clearly again B minus A. See how many ways we can write. We can write in many ways. Okay, students. And right, next. That A complement, just now we written U minus V, and B complement we written. But you should remember these properties, A minus P and A intersection B complement. Okay. And also remember this whole complement formulas. So with the help of that region, see this property with the help of the Venn diagrams, can you check this? A union B. What is A union B region here? Whole A and B. Am I right? But complement is there. A union B whole complement is given by what? Other than A and B. Yes or no? What is the region? A union B whole complement. Here. What is the color is given by? What is the region is given by A union B whole complement? Any students? Other than this A union B region.
Sir, universal set
Universal minus
minus
A union B.
Universal minus A and B, nothing but this is the A union B whole complement. Is that equal to A complement intersection B complement? What is A complement other than A? What is the B complement other than B? So, but intersection the which is common to A complement and B complement is again this, other than this A union. Yes or no? This color pink region, right? So let us see with examples. These are the properties. Like again, two more properties are there that I will write all the properties very clearly, and Venn diagrams also you have to remember. This is A minus B region. This is B minus A. This is A intersection B. A minus B in the sense. This is also can be written as A intersection B complement. A B intersection E complement. Okay, and this region is A union B whole complement, or this is clearly equal to A complement intersection B complement region. Okay, students. Right, coming to the first question. See, the questions are easy actually. First, universal set is given. A is given, B is given, C is given. Then first question. Can anyone say that the answer for the first one, A complement? A complement, nothing but what I said. All the elements which other than A. All the element of universal set other than A. Can we write like this, U minus A? Now what is the answer, students? U minus A. The elements
So
of
1,
universal set. So first you
1,
can cancel.
3,
Yeah, you can cancel the common elements which is belongs to U and A. Then the elements of U alone, 1, comma.
Sir, you have cancelled for C, sir, not for A.
Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Then what is the answer?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Is it clear, students? So U minus A, you should cancel the elements which is common to both, and remaining element is A complement. Then B complement, U minus B. Yes, students. Answer.
So 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 7, 9.
1, 3,
5,
5,
7, 9.
is it right, student? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Cancel remaining elements. Right. C complement, they did not ask, even though. Tell me what is C complement?
Sir, 1, comma,
1,
2,
2.
comma,
1,
7, comma, 8, comma, 9.
1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Is it right? Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, right. Correct. Now, next. How can you find A union C whole complement?
You want to solve A union C first, sir.
First, you should find A union C. Okay, can anyone tell that A union C? Because A union C means
Sir,
all
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
the element which is belongs to A or C, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then C, 5, 6. Is that right, student? The element which is belongs to either A or B or both. Okay, this is A union C. Can anyone tell that what is A union C whole complement? Nothing but universal minus A unions.
Sir, 7, 8, 9.
Other than these elements, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to write one question. This is A union C whole complement. I'm going to find A union B. So this is answer. What is the answer we are going to get here?
8, A.
A alone. Okay, first we'll find A union B whole complement. So here I want to write each and every step here. A union B whole complement. I want to find A union B whole complement. Okay, students, right. Now, A union B. What are the elements of A? Tell me, you want to tell me what are the elements? Elements of A.
So 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, comma, 4.
Okay. Union. What are the elements which is belongs to B?
So 2, comma, 4, comma, 6, comma, 8.
5. Here union. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 6.
6,
6,
8.
8.
This is A union B. So A union B whole complement is given by universal minus
5, 7, 9.
A union B. So this is equal to C. In NCERT, if you want to write, you should write like this. First, substitute, write universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, till what? 9.
9.
Minus, here we got A union B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Like that you can write. After that, you should cancel 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Right. What are the elements which is belongs to universal set then? Remaining element 5.
5, 7, 9.
Right. That's it. This is clearly A union B whole complement. So don't write direct answer. You should write the proper steps like this. First A union B, next whole complement formula you should write. Like that you can find. Clear, students? Yeah, here A complement, whole complement, we know that it is clearly A, but you should write like A complement. First you should find U minus A. You'll get complement. Then after A complement, whole complement, you can write U minus A complement. Write that right proper steps. Next, B minus C whole complement. So first find B minus C. Write B elements minus C elements. We are going to get B minus C. Then, so B minus C whole complement is given by universal minus B minus C. Right? Like that you can find. Can you tell me what is the answer for B minus C Whole complement answer. All of you find and tell me. First one.
Sir, can I say, sir?
Yeah. Why not?
Sir, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yeah, remaining students once verify this answer. Is it right? Find B.
Sir, yes, sir. It is 2, 8 complementary, sir. So other elements will be there.
Okay. Other than 2 and 8, we can write remaining. Okay, fine. Any doubts in this first question?
Sir,
No doubt, sir.
4 and 6 should not come now, sir, for last one.
4 and 6 should not come up. First, what is B minus C? B element other than C. Like here, the common 4, 4 cancel, 6, 6 cancel. The B minus C is B elements, that is 2, 8. B minus C value is 2, 8. This 2 and 8 we can remove from U. This is right answer only.
Okay.
Because universal minus this B minus C, na? Complement is given.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to other students? Second question is very easy compared to first question.
D, F, G, H, sir. First one answer.
See, they're asking you, they given already universal set. Find the complement. Okay, what is A complement? Anyone?
D, E, F, G, H.
Other than ABC. All elements of universal set. U minus A. Okay, other than ABC means D, E,
E,
F.
F, G, H.
Student, I am writing here itself. If it is clear to everyone, okay, otherwise I'll write here clearly steps. Is it okay? A complement means other than A elements, which is belongs to universal set. ABC is given in A. A complement other than ABC, remaining all the elements D, E, F, G, H. Right. What about B complement? U minus B. That is other
A,
than
B,
B.
C, H.
A comma B
A,
comma.
B, C, H.
Is it right, student? Other than these elements belongs to universal. Cancel D, E, F, G, D, E, F, G. Remaining A, B, C and H is the answer. Next, C complement. C is
B,
given.
D, F, H.
Yeah, C complement. C complement means you can cancel here the common element which is belongs to universal and C. A cancel, C cancel, E cancel, G cancel. What are the remaining elements? B, D,
B,
F.
D, F, H.
Is it right, students? But a C complement is equal to universal minus C. You should write one step after that. Take U minus C, then you can write answer. Because you having complete idea, so that I'm writing directly here. What is D complement other than F, G, H, E?
B, C, D, E.
B comma
C, D, E.
that's it. Cancel F, G, H, E. Right. Remaining elements. Clear? Is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Sudarshan. A. Clear, Sudarshan? A.
Sir.
Is it clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Are any having any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah, Tanga Tirumala. No. Okay. Ankit V.
Sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Because if you have complete idea about this, the OBT part becomes very, very easy, right? So first, then third question, taking the set of natural numbers as universal set. So what is the universal set here? Natural number.
Sir, 1, 2, 3 and goes on.
Right. So U is equal to 1, 2, 3, so on, etc. Okay. Then write down the complement of the following set. Okay. Yeah. Anyone? What is the complement of even natural number?
Odd
Odd
natural.
natural number.
That's it. What is the complement of odd natural number?
Even
Sir,
natural
even
number.
natural number.
Yeah. So the complement of first subdivision will be second subdivision. The second subdivision will be first subdivision. The third one. X is a positive multiple of 3. Okay, if I
X
take
such
the
that X belongs to natural number and X is not a multiple of 3.
that's it. So most of the question you can just give not. That's it. Not positive multiple of 3. For example, see one more. X is a perfect square. What is the answer complement here?
Not perfect square.
That's simple. Not. Simply here you can write not. That's it. That is the answer. So how to write in NCERT solution? Like you can take let capital A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number. A is equal to you can take the first set X such that X is even natural numbers. Then A complement is X such that X is odd natural number. So even we can write like this also. A complement is X such that X is not even natural number. Not even natural. Not even nothing, but it must be odd natural number. In the same way, second subdivision you can take as capital B. Capital B is equal to X such that X is odd natural. Then you can better to take, even you can write directly also here, not required to take A, B, C like that. If you take, it is good, you'll get full marks. You can take like this as C. C is a X such that X is positive multiple of 3. Then C complement. C complement is such that X is not multiple of 3. Not multiple of 3 like that. That is the answer. Yeah, fourth subdivision, they
X
given
such that X is a composite number.
composite number, not prime number. Like for example, if I take that is D, this fourth subdivision I'm taking as capital D. Capital D is a set of prime numbers, X such that X is a prime number. What is D complement here?
Composite number, sir.
Is it right, all students?
No, sir.
D
Sir, because
complement.
0 and 1 are not complement, composite
Yeah,
numbers.
exactly. We can write in two ways. X such
Not a
that
prime number.
X is not a prime number.
Sir, or composite number and one.
Yeah, it's better you can write like that. X such that X is composite number.
And x equal to 1.
Exactly. And X is equal to 1. That's it. It's better to write like this. Second one you can write. If you don't know, simply you can write not a prime number. Then E complement. E means I'm taking next subdivision
Yes, sir.
as E.
X is not divisible by 3 and 5.
A number is
So we
divisible by.
can together say as 15, sir. 3 into 5,
Yes, sir.
15.
Okay, not divisible by 15. Natural number divisible by 15 they given. Divisible by. But complement how to write X such that X is a number
Not divisible
not,
by 3 and
not
5. Or 15.
divisible by 3. Yeah, here my question is carefully you can observe and is given 3 and 5. So I said very clearly it and becomes R in complement. Are we finding the complement of this set? Okay. So when you want to write the complement in place of and, you can write R 3 or 5. You should not write 3 and 5. Okay, 3, either the number which is not divisible by 3 or 5 or both also. Both automatically it will come because 3 and 5 is 15. Right? 3 or 5. But you should insert here not. And becomes R becomes and. In case in the question R is there, it will becomes and. Next, F complement. We take the next one as F.
It is
What
not a
about
perfect square, sir.
simply not? You can insert not.
Same
That's
thing
it.
for next one also, sir. Not a perfect cube.
Right. This is complement. Then what about the eighth?
X
Sir,
equal to
X
3.
belongs to natural number, X not equal to 3.
That is very important, right?
Sir, directly
Eight,
we can write the rheostat form itself, no, sir, for that.
direct we can write.
The rheostat
First of
form.
all, what is the given set? If we consider 8 as H, I'm taking this as H is equal to X such that, what is the condition they given? X plus 5 is equal to 8.
Yes,
5
sir.
you can take right side, 8 minus 5. Shall I write this
Yes,
with
sir. 3.
X such that X is equal to 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now, H complement is what? X
X
such that
such that X belongs to natural number and X not equal to 3.
not equal to 3. Simply you can write not equal to 3.
Sir, we can write the rheostat form itself, no, sir. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, like that we can write, no, sir.
You can write like that also because you know they given a equation here. It's better to write an equation like it's better to write like a statement. You can write
Okay.
even roster form also. Other than 3, you can write 1, 2, 4,
1,
5,
4,
so
5,
on.
6, 7.
Other than 3, we can write. They given in set builder form. It's better to write its complement also in set builder form only.
Okay, sir.
Roster form also 100% right. Right, next. Find your. What about the ninth subdivision?
Sir, X is equal to 2, sir. So we should write X such that X is a natural number, X not equal to 2.
After simplifying, like 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 divided by 2. So this equation you can solve here. 2x is equal to 9 minus 5. That is equal to 4. So 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Right. So it's better to can write in short form like
X
x is equal
belongs
to
to natural number and X not equal to 2, sir. Complement.
Yeah, students, disconnect. Yes. Am I audible?
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You're
yes, sir,
audible,
you're
sir.
audible.
Fine, fine. Answer for this,
Sir, x such that x is not equal to 2.
not equal to 2. Okay, okay, that's not equal to 2. Then next question. This is not equal to 2. 10th subdivision. Greater
Sir,
than or equal to is there.
4, 5, 6.
Greater than or equal to 7 is there. Then simply, what is the
Lesser
complement?
than
7.
7.
Less than 7.
1,
Simply
comma
lesser
2,
than.
3, 4, comma 5, comma 6.
No need to write. As a statement, you should write. You're saying in roster form. Say in set builder form. This. Greater than or equal. Whenever equal is given, just write lesser than. Whenever equal is not given, for example, here they given only greater than. What about here?
Lesser than or equal to 7.
Exactly. Lesser than or equal. So here
Sir,
greater than
equal to
already
will
given.
not come, sir.
Equal should not come. Should not come. You cannot consider because it's complement. For example, 7 is there. Is 7 is belongs to its complement?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. So that the only lesser than 11th. 11th last subdivision. 2x plus 1 greater than 10. See,
Sir,
K I'm
x
taking.
greater than 5.
X is belongs to n, and yeah, if you simplify this, x 2x plus 1 greater than 10, if you after simplifying,
Sir, x greater than 9 by 2.
see here 2x plus 1 they given greater than 10, then 2x is equal to sorry, greater than 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means greater than 9. X greater than 9 by 2. Greater than 9 by 2. What is its
Sir,
complement?
but natural number, no, sir.
Sir, smaller than or equal to.
Natural number nothing but greater than here 9 by 2 means 4.5. Greater than 4.5 means x can take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that.
Sir, x is such that x is less than 4.5.
Lesser than 9 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here
Is it-
equal to can come, no, sir.
Yeah, if you write only lesser than, it is absolutely wrong. Here only greater than is there in a complement, lesser than as well as equal will come. Is it clear, student? So now x is greater than 9 by 2 is a given set. Its complement is x such that this belongs.
X not an element of n, no, sir.
Yeah. So right. Sure. Lesser than means what is the value we should write?
9 by 2. 4.2.
9. No. 4.5 means if you write equal, this you can write very carefully again. One student asked a very nice question, sir. If you take equal, here we are saying that x is a natural number, but if you take 4.5 equal, is it true? No, wrong. So what should we take here?
Sir, 5 or 4
5,
itself, sir.
4.
4.
Lesser than 4.5. What is the natural number?
4, sir.
4.
4 alone. Okay. So the answer will be 4. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Even yeah.
9 by 2 is wrong, sir. Then we should not write sir like that.
You should not write equal. Here equal case is there. Equal condition. So you should not write. But in previous question, we got already natural number directly. The 7 is a natural number. So that, okay, no problem. Here x not equal to 2. Already they give natural number. Got idea about this? Any doubts in question number 3? Any subdivision is doubt? You can easily write the complements. Next.
Sir, in that it is an element or not an element, sir? X is an element or not an element of n, sir?
This is an element of n.
Okay, sir.
X is the element of n, belongs to n. And even its complement also we written belongs to n. See here? Belongs to n. But what is x here? Lesser than or equal to 4. That's it. Right, students, this fourth subdivision. All of you check one subdivision. First find A union B. Then find A union B whole complement. You only do this fastly. Then after find A complement. Then find B complement. Then intersection. And after finding this, you have to check whether equal or not, because they are asking verify. Do it fast and tell me whether it is equal or not. Everyone should do that. First A union B. A is given, B is given. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir, it is equal, sir.
Equal. Then what
Yes,
is
1 and 9, sir.
1 and 9, sir.
Okay, then A complement.
Sir, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, sir. B complement is
on.
1. B complement is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, sir.
So
Sir,
here
2 won't
A-
come.
2 won't come. Huh? Okay. Then A complement union B complement. Union means, sorry, intersection, I think. Intersection. What is the common elements? 1 is common.
1 and
Then
9, sir.
9 common.
9.
Am I? So both will be equal or not? Actually, these are the properties. It is always true. It is always true. Oh, here, what they are asking here? Venn diagrams. Next question is Venn diagram. Sorry. Question number 5. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Okay, first A union B whole complement, A complement intersection B complement. Actually, these two are equal or not? Equal or not?
Yes, sir.
These
Yes,
two are
sir.
equal or not? Equal. Let's see
Yes, sir.
Venn diagram. Venn diagram. Okay, students. First, I am going to draw a Venn diagram which is belongs to first subdivision. Okay. Question is the first subdivision. Draw appropriate Venn diagram. A union B whole complement. First subdivision here. A union whole complement. Right. First, you have to shade the region which is belongs to A union B alone. Can anyone? What is the shaded region of A union
Sir,
B?
that two circles combined. Sir.
This is A, this is B, this is U. Now, combined region.
Fully, sir. A and B.
So you should shade the region properly. Okay, if they ask about Venn diagrams. So this is clearly A union B. Am I right, student?
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. So this is A union B region. But what is the question? A union B, whole complement. Yeah,
That white color region, sir.
exactly. Other
A
than this
minus A
region.
union B.
Right. Is this region? This is the region which is belongs to. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, second one also same thing, sir.
Same only will get because that is a property, you know.
The third
This
one and fourth one are same, sir.
same, sure. Okay, this is first one. First subdivision we completed. Next, second subdivision. First. Same region, but you can find separate like A complement, shade the region of A complement. Then you can shade the region of B complement. Okay, let us consider this A, B, C. Okay, this is universal, this is A, this is B. What is the second subdivision actually?
Sir, A complement intersection B complement.
A complement intersection B complement. Right, first we can shade the A complement region. A complement. A complement means this region. All region other than A. Even we should not include the common region also. Am I right? Students.
Yes, sir.
Entire region. See, you know very well, but anyhow, what about this region?
A complement.
A complement. In the same way, you can shade the region B complement.
Sir, we
B
should not
complement.
shade the common region, no, sir.
So that common region also not belongs to A because you know that right, student. Is it clear what she asked? Other than A, other than here, we are not doing A minus B. A complement. We should not consider the common region. How many of you understood that? This common region we should not consider. Other than A. Right amount. Then what is the mean by B complement? All of you shade yourself. Yes. This is A complement. Then B complement
Except B.
except B. Except B. Right, except B. All of you share that region. Finally, what is the question? Intersection or union?
Intersection, sir.
Intersection. What is the intersection? A complement to intersection B complement.
So other than A and B, we should, that is the answer, sir.
What is the region which is common to A complement intersection B complement? But here, what is the common part of this?
Sir, A union B, the whole complement.
A union B?
The whole complement.
But here common part, is there we getting any common part that belongs to the complement?
Yes, sir. We colored both ochre and green in that region, no, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Both. Is it clear? Surely we'll get the same. So both will be equal. Universal set minus A, universal set minus B. Okay. Other than B, other
Sir,
than
this
B.
we can write as U minus A union B, sir. The whole.
Which one? This one.
Yes, sir. U
U
minus
Ah.
A union B.
Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. So this is clear. So so both will be equal or not? Both will be equal. We cannot consider this, right? Fine, students. In the same way, can you able to draw the remaining two? Like A intersection B, whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. A intersection B whole complement means all of you share that region. Right, students. What is A union B region? This is the region A union B. Am I right?
Sir, that is A intersection B, no, sir.
Sorry. A intersection B. Then A intersection B whole complement. So other than this region, remaining whole region. Other than that, this is the region of.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, time up, sir.
Yes. I have seen that. I need to finish it. So this is the region, required region, student. Okay, it's already 12:03.
Thank you, sir.
Right, student.